Bitcoin is closing up its best January since 2013, best crypto month in a decade with a massive price growth of about 40%. And investors are turning greedy. Yes, maybe the market is not growing fast enough to see new all-time highs tomorrow. And yes, there is a high possibility of market corrections, but still there are a lot more positive factors to consider. Hi, I'm Eleonora, product owner at Exma Study, and today we'll talk about the hottest crypto news happening recently. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell below. So, the crypto keeps on reviving. We can state for sure that January has become the best performing month since October 2021 for Bitcoin and most altcoins. And these were not just investors who benefited from a first crypto. Bitcoin miners had a profitable month too. Their revenue grew to $593 million. This is the largest number since August last year. At the same time, we observed some market corrections at the end of January. Mainly, it was connected with FOMC rate decision. Most investors and analysts believe that the Federal Reserve wouldn't shift away from its tight policy. However, on 1st February 2023, the Fed raised interest rates by only 25 basis points, and the market responded immediately. Most high-risk assets showed moderate growth, compensating for the loss. According to the latest CNBC survey, most investors believe that the regulator will start cutting the rates already this year.
Here's the outlook from the funds rate, from the survey. 4.38 is the current rate, goes up to 5% by April, comes down to 4.69, which, by the way, is a bit higher than the funds market pricing is. And then again, it comes down even more next year, December 24, 3.76.
But for now, we see mixed reports of major tech giants. Tesla recorded a loss of $140 million on its Bitcoin investments in 2022. MicroStrategy revealed a $197 million loss on its BTC holdings in the fourth quarter. Still, the companies didn't sell any BTC during the reported period. And co-founder and ex-CEO of the company, Michael Saylor, posted a tweet stating that Bitcoin is a mission. Institutional investors are also showing an increasing interest in crypto. According to CoinShares, digital asset investment products saw inflows totaling $230 million year-to-date. According to the DeVere Group, 28% of millionaire clients have thought of investing in digital assets. The cryptocurrency Fear and Greed Index also signals bullish sentiments. For the first time since March last year, the indicator has entered the greed zone, rising above 60 points. Currently, it fluctuates in the range between 55 and 60 points. What's more, cryptocurrencies and stocks have started to move in similar direction again. A strong correlation is currently being observed between Nasdaq and BTC. This means that when stocks are growing, crypto prices go up too. The markets are also awaiting data on US inflation and reports of other tech giants. And considering the increased correlation between stocks and BTC, we should expect high volatility in the nearest future. But don't let this volatility bewitch you, because crypto trading can sometimes be very addictive, seriously. But if you do become a crypto addict, I've got some good news for you too. A luxury rehabilitation center in Spain has started helping those suffering from crypto trading addiction. You will have to pay $75,000 for a 4-week stay therapy, but can it be too much for true crypto bros? By the way, trading crypto all day long is not necessary to get rich. A few days ago, a dormant address with over 2 million Dodge was finally activated. Just imagine, the guy has made like 10,000x on Dodge, earning more than $180,000. Next, to one of the hottest asset managers on Wall Street today, ARK Invest, that keeps supporting Bitcoin. The firm has recently confirmed its prediction made at the beginning of 2022. The company's CEO, Cathie Wood, has no doubt that Bitcoin can hit as much as $1 million by 2030.
I'm assuming, Cathie, that you're going to hold to your Bitcoin forecast for, $1 million per coin by 2030. That still feels good to you?
Yes, and you can, sometimes you need to battle test. You need to go through crises to see who the real, to see the survivors first of all, but really to battle test the infrastructure and the thesis.
Better still, she said that digital wallet use on track can reach 65%. This means that more than half of the world's population will have crypto wallets. Do you agree with such forecasts? Write your thoughts below. Some companies only start entering the crypto market. Toyota is looking for Web3 developers who can help it accomplish this goal. The automotive giants intend to hold a Web3 hackathon for DAO developers to explore blockchain use cases. So, dear fellow devs, don't miss your chance. But not only companies in Japan support crypto. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida has expressed support for the use of blockchain to solve the country's technological issues. And what about Ethereum? According to Crypto.com, ETH owners grew by 263% from 24 million in January 2022 to 87 million in December 2022. The blockchain also has over 503,000 active proof-of-stakes validators on its backend chain. Recently, Ethereum devs has launched the new Shenyang testnet to stimulate ETH withdrawals. If everything goes well, then the new upgrade will be live on the mainnet in March this year. It will allow validators to withdraw ETH stake since as long ago as December 2020. Ethereum also closes the top 3 crypto projects by development activity in the last 30 days as of February. The first and second are Polkadot and Cardano. It can influence well on their price. As you know for sure, development activity is very much considered during the fundamental analysis. If the indicator is high, it means that the developers are working hard on improving the project. This is a good signal for whales. As for Cardano, it has also been one of the most discussed coins recently. Cardano's decentralized stablecoin Djed has finally been launched on the mainnet after over a year of development. And finally, to stablecoins. Visa CEO Al Kelly believes that stablecoins and CBDCs might have a significant role in payments. Visa is working on stablecoin settlements on its platform. Visa's head of crypto business, Kai Sheffield, said that the company wants to build muscle memory around settlements and plans to allow customers to convert digital assets to fiat currencies on its platform. Well, that's all for today. See you next week!